How are you today? I'm happy to see you too. Okay. Now tell me, what color do you like? Very good. What animal do you like? Very good. What can the rabbit do? Good job. How many people are there in your family? Okay, good job, Nora. Very good. Okay. And let's make a sentence. Okay. Use your left hand. Very good. Okay, good job. Okay, now tell me now, what can the rabbit do? Very good. Very good. Okay, now what is this now? Good job. Now what is Yay, good job, Nora. Okay, say goodbye, everyone.